Welcome to SOS Electronic. Thank you for joining us. After a thorough review of their existing portfolio, Belden Hirschmann has recently announced a generational replacement and discontinuation of the square valve connectors in the GDM series. This move aims to manage the product portfolio more efficiently and offer better services, quality, and product delivery. As part of this initiative, Belden will also update the online catalog to ensure that all replacement products are visible online and include all necessary information to assist in internal qualification processes. Additionally, a comparison feature will be made available to compare products and verify compatibility. Samples for testing are available upon request. The products in the new generation include several modifications and should provide a newer solution featuring advanced functions and benefits. The previous generation of valve connectors of the GDM series was excellent, widely used, and without significant shortcomings. The recent changes can be considered to be more of a generational update with a set of minor adjustments. For example, the protrusion on the connector body is a nice improvement for easier unplugging. The more robust surge protection on versions that include it can be useful, and the double press fit technology used for the contacts between the PCB and the connector body is also noteworthy. The manufacturer has also modified and standardized the design of the outer body of the new series. Both generations of GDM series of valve connectors are currently available in the SOS Electronic range. More technical details, our recommendations of selected products, as well as end-of-life dates can be found on our website. Please note that all orders placed after the last purchase date will be automatically replaced with the new product. Feel free to choose from our selection, whether you have ongoing projects or are working on entirely new ones. If you are interested in more information about Hirschmann products, or if you need technical advice, please contact us at soselectronic.com and we will be happy to assist you.